What is the natural Viagra? Today, I will be answering that question. The answer to that question is quite simple. Psilocybin, in other words, magic mushrooms, are the cure to no pussy syndrome. Varying in species and dose, each mushroom gives the user a unique visual and feeling. For our purpose of increasing performance and endurance, we'll be focusing on the common albino shroom, locally sourced on every corner in Cali. Don't mess with the golden caps, for their effects are very mild and penis envy can be too much for beginners. The goal is to microdose a body high. The dosage goes as follows: 1.5 grams ranging to a full eighth if you can handle mild visuals or are experienced. An eighth and a half will be your best friend. It'll numb your glans penis and will allow you to hold an erection for about 3 hours. With a milder dose such as 1.5, you can expect the same results, lasting only 1 hour. Shrooms are pretty safe, and at 1.5 grams you should expect only a body high. To recap, 1.5 is the minimum dose, up to 5 grams to get the 420 Pussy Slayer Mario God effects. Let me know in the comments if you already experienced this or your shroom trips. I love reading about others' experiences. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.